This stand-up freezer offers a generous 13.8 cubic foot interior that comfortably handles bulk groceries and meal prep storage for a family kitchen, basement, or garage. Its convertible design lets you switch between freezer and refrigerator modes, so you can adapt the space for long-term frozen items or extra fresh food as seasons and needs change. The frost-free cooling system and strong insulation keep temperatures stable without the hassle of manual defrosting, which is a real-time saver in everyday use. Clear glass shelves and soft interior lighting make it easy to see and organize everything inside, reducing the chance that food gets lost in the back. A digital temperature display, quick freeze function, door alarm, and locking controls give this unit a more premium, well-thought-out feel than many basic upright freezers. Despite its full-size capacity, the relatively narrow footprint, rolling casters, and garage-ready design make placement and repositioning straightforward in tight household spaces.